Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM using the Zoho Marketplace so you can find the perfect messaging extension and start chatting with your leads instantly in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Zoho Marketplace from your dashboard. The first step is moving from your standard CRM view into the expansive library of official and third-party extensions. Look at the top right corner of your Zoho CRM screen and click on the Marketplace icon. Select All from the drop-down menu to load the complete gallery of business apps. In 2026, the Marketplace is the most efficient way to add features without custom coding. While Zoho has a native WhatsApp channel, the Marketplace allows you to choose from specialized providers like DoubleTick, WhatsApp, or Wadi, which often offer advanced features like multi-number support or shared team inboxes that aren't available in the standard setup. Next, search for the WhatsApp extension. Once you're in the Marketplace hub, you need to filter through thousands of apps to find the specific integration for your messaging needs. Click on the search icon, the magnifying glass, in the top right of the Marketplace page. Type in WhatsApp for Zoho and press Enter. Precise searching is key in 2026. By using the search bar, you instantly filter out unrelated tools and pull up the highest-rated WhatsApp connectors. This allows you to compare different extensions side by side, checking user reviews and compatibility ratings to ensure the app you choose is stable and reliable for your 2026 workflow. Lastly, install your chosen WhatsApp app. After selecting the extension that fits your business requirements, you need to bring it into your CRM environment. Click on the app card, like WhatsApp messaging for Zoho CRM, and then click the blue Install button. You will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions and choose which users or profiles, like sales or support, have permission to use the app. The installation process is a secure sandbox setup. When you click Install, Zoho creates a dedicated space for that app to function without messing with your core data. Assigning specific profiles at this stage ensures that your sensitive customer data is only accessible to the team members who actually need to send WhatsApp messages. And that's pretty much it. To integrate WhatsApp via the Marketplace in 2026, click the Marketplace icon, use the search bar to find WhatsApp for Zoho, and hit Install. Once you authorize your account in the configuration settings, you'll be able to send and receive messages directly from your leads and contacts modules, keeping all your communication in one centralized place. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.